A programming paradigm is a style of programming. It's the way of approaching and thinking about a problem that defines the fundamental structure and elements of a program. There are several programming paradigms, and a single program can use many of them. They are not mutually exclusive. But C# at its core is an object-oriented programming language. Object-oriented programming is a programming paradigm based on the concept of objects and how they interact with each other. So instead of having a single long sequence of commands, the code is arranged in many scripts, each representing an object with data and specific functions. The program results from the interaction among all these objects. I promise that this will make sense in the following video, so stay tuned.